Hey guys, in this video I'm be showing you how to connect any Xbox to any monitor you have. I'm making this video because my old video had a lot of misconceptions and it just wasn't a very good video. I didn't know how to talk, I didn't know how to read a script. That was just a very starter time in my YouTube career thing. So in this video I'm going to be making an updated version so you guys can hopefully understand it better. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want to see next. Okay, let's get into the what you need portion of this video. What you need really depends on what monitor you have and what inputs it has. I'm going to be putting a link in the description on what inputs you have and what they look like so you guys can figure out if you're going to need to buy an adapter or not. If you have just an HDMI input, that's going to be the best because Xbox gives you a HDMI cable in the box and you should have that plugged into the Xbox, or if you get it in the box it should be in there. So that's the best option because you don't have to buy anything else or find something else. But it becomes a little more complicated when you don't have an HDMI input. If you have a DVI, VGA, DisplayPort, anything like that, you're going to need to buy an adapter or a cable that converts it to a different input. So I'm going to be giving you some examples. This is just a single adapter. It goes from HDMI on this end to VGA on this end. Also, there's this one, which is just DisplayPort to HDMI. So, you know, stuff like that you're gonna need. I'm gonna be leaving a bunch of links in the description depending on what your inputs are. I'm gonna be labeling them all, so it'll be really easy to find it, but I'm just letting you know you're probably gonna have to buy something if you don't have an HDMI input. They're only around $5 each, so it shouldn't be a problem, but I'm just letting you know. So let's get into the installation part of this video. Okay, so first you're going to want to plug in this power cable that should be included in the box. It's pretty straightforward. You just plug that in. And then you're going to get your adapter. In this case, I'm going to be using this HDMI to VGA adapter. And I'm just going to be plugging it into this HDMI out right here. Make sure you don't plug it into the HDMI in or else it won't work. So you just want to make sure it's on the HDMI out because a lot of people in the comments of my last video had a big problem. So you're just going to plug that in just like that. And now you can get whatever cable you have. This is a VGA cable for me, like this. And you are gonna plug this in like that. Just tighten this. And now your cables are all set up for the monitor. Okay, so now that we have all the cables plugged in, you're gonna wanna get your adapter cable, which for me is a VGA cable. It's this little blue thing. And you're gonna wanna plug it into the back of your monitor. This should be pretty self-explanatory. It should be labeled or the same color or something like that. The same shape. You just stick it in, just like that. And I'm gonna cable manage this a little bit, but like that. But yeah, that's all. It's really simple. You just connect it to your monitor. You don't need a computer or anything. That's it. So we're gonna turn our monitor on. You're gonna wanna make sure your monitor's working. I got a lot of people who had issues with that. Make sure it's on auto or on whatever input it's on because it won't post if it's not. If you want to know how to do that, you will have to refer to your monitor manual to learn how to do that because every monitor is different. So yeah, we're gonna see if this posts just to make sure you guys believe me. You're just gonna click the Xbox logo and let's see if it works. Booting up and post. As you can see, it works, and yeah, it's pretty simple. All you need is some cables, a monitor, and an Xbox, and you don't need a computer, you don't need anything else. Everything still works, like this disk drive or the Bluetooth controllers. You don't need any other adapters. It's pretty simple, so you can use this on your desk, on your bed, literally anything you want that has a monitor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.